Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset the Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. Before starting the reset process, we'll discuss why is it necessary to reset the Verizon extender. Resetting the Verizon Wi-Fi Extender CE1000A is helpful when it's not working properly, showing connection issues, or if you forgot the settings. A factory reset clears all old data and gives you a fresh start, just like when it was brand new. Make sure the extender is plugged in and powered on, LEDs will be lit. Do not unplug it. Make sure the device's LED lights are on, this means it's receiving power. Find the small reset hole labeled reset on the back or bottom of the CE1000A. It's usually a recessed button to prevent accidental resets. Gently insert the paperclip or pin into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds continuously. While holding, you may notice the LED lights start to blink, dim, or turn off. That's a sign it's resetting. After holding for 10 to 15 seconds, release the button. The extender will begin its reset process, which may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the device to fully reboot. You'll know it's done when the LED indicators settle into a normal pattern, usually a solid or blinking light. The extender no longer has your previous Wi-Fi settings saved. After resetting the Verizon Wi-Fi Extender CE1000A, you need to reset up the extender. Plug it in near your router and press the WPS button on both devices to reconnect. Wait for the light to turn solid white, showing it's connected. If WPS doesn't work, use a browser to complete setup at 192.168.1.1. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.